If you've seen Tropi click ads pop up promising clever home gadgets at amazing discounts, you're probably wondering, is this store actually worth trusting or just another too good to be true site? Let's find out. Tropiclick.com claims to sell practical home essentials and innovative tools designed to make daily life easier. But when we dug deeper, things didn't look so simple. The website was only registered in July 2025, which makes it very new and risky for shoppers. Their product photos and even team images appear to be copied or AI generated, giving off a generic, impersonal vibe. There's no real About Us page or founder information to explain who runs the store, which is often a red flag when buying online. The site uses strong urgency tricks like only 6 left in stock or selling out fast, tactics often seen on low-trust e-commerce sites to rush buyers into making quick decisions. The reviews on their website sound repetitive and robotic, suggesting they might be AI-written instead of real customer experiences. On Trustpilot, Tropi Click has a 3.2-star rating, but surprisingly, only one review exists, and it's a 1-star complaint from someone who says they never got their order. Even after searching Reddit and other online forums, there's almost no talk or discussion about this brand, which makes its reputation questionable. While the website design looks clean and professional, the lack of transparency, fake-looking reviews, and missing company details make it hard to call Tropi Click trustworthy. So if you're tempted by their offers, it's probably better to hold off until there's more proof of real customers receiving what they paid for. Sometimes the best deal is the one you don't take. And with Tropi Click, that might just be the smarter move.